Guys, you must have heard two kids fighting, right? But have you heard two economies fighting like a kid? Now I know it sounds kind of funny, but one of the greatest examples of this is the ongoing balloon war between North Korea and South Korea. Let's deep dive into the situation and try to understand what's happening. Chapter 1, Origin. The origin of this conflict can be traced back to the Cold War between the US and the Russia when they both were trying to spread their ideologies globally.
In the annals of history, wars have been fought in multiple ways with weapons, with resources, with ideology. But North Korea is fighting a conflict in a new way with feces.
In this war, instead of fighting with guns, missiles, tanks, or even drones, North and South Korea went beyond and started sending balloons on each other's territory containing leaflets criticizing the leaders of other country and also started broadcasting anti-government messages. Despite an agreement in the year 2000 to end all the government-sponsored propaganda, many North Korean defectors and South Korean activists have been continuously launching balloons to North Korea containing information about the anti-North Korean campaigns. Chapter 2, the law passed by the South Korean government. In 2020, the South Korean government passed a law called the Anti-Leaflet Law, criminalizing the sending of the anti-North Korean propaganda leaflets. However, a North Korean defector challenged this law in the court, saying that this is against his freedom of speech. But this law had no impact on the citizens. Many North Korean defectors and South Korean activists have been continuously launching balloons to North Korea containing leaflets criticizing Kim Jong-un, USB drives containing South Korean pop music which is banned in North Korea, $1 US bills, and also the information regarding the better and quality life outside North Korea. In retaliation, North Korea sent balloons full of feces, garbage, torn clothes, old batteries, and even parasites. Yes, you heard right, parasites. Now it's North Korea, it can do anything. Chapter 3, the present scenario. Since 28th May, more than 1,000 balloons have been launched by North Korea to South Korea. Moreover, it is being said that the torn clothes which were sent to South Korea were of a South Korean company, signaling the hostility towards the South Korean brands as well as clothes with imitations of Disney characters. South Korea condemned this whole practice of North Korea and also announced military alarm. The president of South Korea, Yoon Suk-yeol, also called the activities of North Korea a despicable and an irrational provocation. Chapter 4, Reaction of Other Countries. Amid these tensions going on between North and South Korea, on 22nd of June 2024, the US sent their aircraft carrier to South Korea for the three-nation exercises between South Korea, Japan, and the US that aimed at stepping up military training days after North Korea and Russia signed a mutual defense pact, which we will cover in the upcoming videos.